And for us in Zimbabwe, it's very important that we remember the aspect of sorrow as part of peace building. I don't mean sorrow among the victims. The victims already feel the sorrow for what they have lost. But I mean more the sorrow by those who have broken the peace, those who have committed the atrocities. We have a situation in Zimbabwe now where many of those responsible for the policies and even for the direct acts of violence against others are saying that's not really so important to have to tell the truth because we know the facts already. But the truth isn't really so much about the facts. It's more about what the experiences that people have gone through. And I think until we can cultivate a sense of sorrow amongst those who have committed the atrocities, we'll never be able to sort out what is good and what is bad, get our morals back. We won't be able to move on to a position where we can feel contrition about our joint responsibility for the mess that we've made of history. And we won't be able to straighten things out, for the future generations. For me, the IAPC is going to be very important because it will be a place where we can share ideas. Not just ideas, but we can support each other. Peace building is a lifelong, ongoing thing, and it can be very difficult to keep on and to keep on. And I know Mahatma Gandhi told us, peace is not where you're reaching, peace is getting there. But we don't all have the stamina of Mahatma Gandhi. And sometimes we need to sit and encourage each other, and not only share ideas, but also to pray for each other, to uplift each other, to give each other encouragement. And that's why, for me, it's going to be such an important event worldwide.